Let's check out the 5 best video gallery WordPress plugins. Number 1, Video Gallery, Vimeo, and YouTube Gallery. This plugin enables you to embed videos from both platforms by simply pasting their URLs. You can set up multiple galleries with unlimited videos. You can set custom titles, descriptions, and links for each video. It uses shortcodes so you can embed them anywhere. There are 7 different gallery styles right out of the box, and it's free with premium licenses starting at $20. Number 2, All-in-One Video Gallery. This plugin helps you create video galleries, categories, and custom search forms for your videos. It adds a custom HTML5 video player which your visitors can use to reproduce video files from your website and other sources. You can control what playback options users have access to as well. The premium version has a lot of great features and starts at $5 per month. Number 3, Simply Gallery Blocks. This tool enables you to choose from multiple new gallery blocks with different styles and add self-hosted videos or images to them. This plugin is easy to use and it gives you a lot of customization options for each style. The free version does not allow you to embed external sources though, but premium starts at $2 per month. Number 4, Embed Plus for YouTube. This solution lets you add single videos, entire channels, and playlists from YouTube using dedicated blocks. You can control playback settings and determine how each element appears on your site, like minimizing YouTube's branding and hiding related videos. For full access, you'll need to create a YouTube API. The premium version starts at $40. And finally, number 5, Video Gallery, YouTube Playlist, Channel Gallery for Yo2YP. Like the last one, you can take entire channels or playlists and transform them into video galleries. It also supports embedding individual videos. However, you don't get as many playback configuration options. You do get more styling options though, like mouse over effects. And you'll still need a YouTube API key. The premium version starts at $21. By the way, quick bonus tip for you, if you use Divi, you'll have access to the video slider module, which works with your media library and YouTube. And because it's Divi, you get access to a broad range of configuration options. Do yourself a favor and go check it out. And there you go. That was the 5 best video gallery plugins for WordPress. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.